Hello everyone to my channel. I would like to teach you some basic things about Swift. First of all, I would like to teach you how can we create UILabel in our Swift programming language. Let's we start with programmatical writing. First of all, I would like to define LetsFrame equal cgrect. It means a structure that contains the location and dimension of a rectangle. And then if we open a brace and if we write the integer values such as 10 for x, 10 for y, and for width we could write 200 and height we could say 400, for example. It could change whatever you want to say. It can be, and it can change the shape of rectangular. And let's we continue our code. And let me take that my definition to the below of super view did load. And then I would like to define let's label cool UILabel frame. It means like we are taking frame of information to our inner UILabel and it's assigned to the newest label, LetsLabel. And then if we continue to writing view dot added subview label, it means like we are creating like subview. First of all, we created a frame, and then we created being a subview label, and also we continue our writing. Let's we write a text to see on our mobile of a simulator screen. Label dot text equals to let's we start with writing simple and like start a sentence. Welcome to my channel, everyone. Let's we continue with TranslateLabel dot translate. It means it's like translating authorizing mask into constraint, like it makes a structure in our label, and if we say false, it will create a non-returning things in our label. And if we continue adding like view that adds subview label, it's also added to the label being a subview. And if we continue with writing a string, layout constraint activate constraint, if we take bracelets and if we define our label of the shape and also size, and let's we define label that tab enter that constraint equal to view that tab enter. Let's we add comma, and let's we continue with label leading. Leading means like from upside of the screen size of mobile we are making some gap for our label. That constraint equal to view dot leading enter. Again we're adding a comma. Let's we continue with label that with enter that constraint equal to constant. As you see, the xcode shows us some possible adding style, and we have to add equal to constant because we must add some gap with integer number. As you see, let's we add 100, and for label dot height enter constraint equal to constant for 100, and let's we compile that project. Sorry, the code shows us you have some problem with comma. Let's we add our comma to our code, and let's we compile again. As you see, welcome T 3 dot it shows because we don't add enough space for label. Let's we increase our width. For example, if we add like 500 width, it could show the rest of our sentence. Welcome to my channel, everyone, and thank you for listening my first video in Swift. I hope I will share the next videos and you will watch the rest of my video series. Thank you and have a good day.